6 species in genus Choisya. My love affair with Choisya, Mexican orange blossom. As a passionate gardener, I'm always on the lookout for plants that are both beautiful and low maintenance. That's how I stumbled upon the delightful genus Choisya, commonly known as Mexican orange blossom. These evergreen shrubs, native to Mexico and the southwestern United States, have captured my heart with their glossy foliage, fragrant flowers, and overall hardiness. Discovering the charm of Choisya. My first encounter with a Choisya was at a local nursery. I was immediately drawn to its vibrant green leaves and the delicate scent of orange blossoms that wafted through the air. After a bit of research, I learned that Choisya is a member of the Rutaceae family, which also includes citrus fruits. This explained the familiar fragrance and the glossy, leathery leaves. I decided to take a chance and planted a Choisya ternata Sundance in my garden. It was an instant success. The golden foliage provided a bright spot in a shady corner, and the fragrant white flowers bloomed profusely in spring and again in autumn. I was hooked. A closer look at Choisya species. Since then, I've expanded my Choisya collection. Here are Choisya arizonica. Native to the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, Choisya arizonica is a compact, hardy shrub that thrives in desert climates and rocky soils. It has finely cut, aromatic leaves, producing clusters of small, star-shaped white flowers in spring. Its drought tolerance and ease of care make it popular in arid landscapes. Choisya dumosa. Often referred to as the desert mock orange, Choisya dumosa is well suited to desert environments, naturally occurring in Arizona, New Mexico, and Mexico. This species has a more delicate structure and produces fragrant white blooms that attract pollinators. Its foliage is finely textured, and the shrub is extremely drought-tolerant, making it ideal for xeriscaping. Choisya catharini. This species is less common but valued for its glossy, deeply divided leaves and fragrant flowers. Native to Mexico, Choisya catharini brings a tropical look to gardens and is notable for its attractive, bushy growth habit. It also releases a citrusy aroma when its leaves are brushed or crushed, making it an aromatic addition to any landscape. Choisya neglecta. Known for its more compact form and dense foliage, Choisya neglecta is native to certain mountainous regions in Mexico. It produces a mass of white flowers in spring and often again in fall. The species is loved for its resilience to various soil types and for its attractive, lush appearance, which is further enhanced by its strong, citrus fragrance. Choisya palmeri. This shrub has a more upright form compared to other Choisya species, with elongated leaves that give it a unique texture. Native to the Mexican highlands, Choisya palmeri is known for its showy clusters of white flowers and fragrant foliage. It does well in well-draining soils and sunny areas, adding a strong architectural element to gardens. Choisya ternata. Commonly known as Mexican orange blossom, Choisya ternata is perhaps the most popular Choisya species in gardens due to its lush, evergreen foliage and its ability to bloom multiple times throughout the year. This low-maintenance shrub is also highly fragrant, releasing a pleasant citrus aroma. Its resilience and bright white flowers make it a versatile addition to both formal and informal garden settings. Why I admire Choisya. There are several reasons why I've become such a fan of Choisya. Fragrance. The sweet scent of orange blossoms is simply intoxicating. It fills the garden with a delightful aroma, especially in the evenings. Evergreen foliage. Choisya provides year-round interest with its glossy, evergreen leaves. Some cultivars, like Sundance, offer stunning golden foliage. Low maintenance. Choisya is a relatively low-maintenance plant. It requires minimal pruning and is generally pest and disease-free. Versatility. Choisya can be grown as a shrub, hedge, or even a small tree. It's also suitable for container gardening. Tips for growing Choisya. If you're thinking of adding Choisya to your garden, here are a few tips. Sunlight. Choisya prefers full sun to partial shade. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. Watering. Water regularly, especially during dry periods. Pruning. Prune lightly after flowering to maintain shape. Choisya is a relatively hardy plant, but it can be susceptible to frost damage. In colder climates, it's best to plant it in a sheltered location or provide winter protection. Choisya, a gardener's delight. In my experience, Choisya is a true gem in the gardening world. It's a plant that offers beauty, fragrance, and ease of care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I highly recommend giving Choisya a try. You won't be disappointed.